Alright, so I'm going to show you how to create a gravatar, which is basically just like a profile picture for your blog. It's the image that is associated with your name. So if you go to our class blog, you can see that next to everybody's blog post is this weird little geometric image, like this green thing or this gray thing. That's just the default gravatar. It's an image that they use when you don't have a gravatar. So what we're going to do is create an image that will go in place of this that is more characteristic of you. Alright, so what you do is you go to en for English, en.gravatar.com. Gravatar is spelled Gravatar. And think of gravatar as like avatar, okay? Gravatar is a service of WordPress.com. So once you go here, you click on sign in, and you're going to sign in using the same email or the same username and the same password that you use to log into WordPress.com. It's the same information. Alright? And so when you log in, if you've already created a gravatar, like this is the Assignment Bot's gravatar, then it'll already show up. Otherwise, you're going to click on add a new image, and then you can pick different ways to do that. You could pick a website, or you can click upload. So what I recommend you do is find an image that you think represents you, save it to your desktop, and then click upload new image. Click browse, and then you'll find where that website, that image is located. I already went and saved this one. Okay, and hit open. And once you've selected the image that you want, you'll hit next. And so here's the image that I had selected for Assignment Bot. It's going to ask you to crop your image so that it's a perfect square. You'll notice this is a perfect square outlining it. You can move it around to change the part of the image. I want this little blue thing up here to be in the image, so I'm going to use this top part. Once you've found what you want, just click crop and finish. And then the last thing you have to do is choose a rating. You need a rating which says whether it's like movies. This is a G, PG, R, or X rated gravatar. So since this is for your math class, let's say no R and X rated gravatars, only G and PG gravatars. This one is definitely G. And that's it. Now if you go to the main class website, this gravatar would show up as your image right here. Alright, so one last thing to think about is you can be really creative with gravatars. It doesn't have to be your face. It doesn't have to be a picture of you. It could be a cartoon image. It could be a picture of your cat. It could be a picture of anything that you think expresses who you are. It doesn't need to be just like a photo. I noticed there's one person on our class blogs who's already created a gravatar, and their gravatar is a picture of a sloth. So you've got a lot of flexibility. Just be creative and pick something that you feel comfortable having as your image next to all your blog posts. Alright, that's it.